Welcome, Yooper fans. This episode is going to be a lot of fun doing this one. I have a video and I want to know, can you tell the difference? Stick around and find out. In this episode, I'm showing you a video that I used sound effects in, and I also used natural sounds with the videos as well too. I want to know, can you tell the difference? The video featured in here is of a normal pool night for those of us that play pool. It's a 5-man team. We play 15 games, so each person plays 3 games, and the best out of 15 wins the match. We usually play those during the winter months. It's another winter sport to keep us busy during the winter time. Here it is, stay tuned, and we'll see ya on the backside of this video. Alright, what'd you think? So, in this video, the majority of the video was shot with using just sound effects. The only video in here, or section that was in here, featured with the natural sound is of me leaving with the truck, is the only video that has natural sounds in it. I want to know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Thank you for being a part of the Yooper channel. See you guys later.